Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Ford Focus 2011-2012 model shape, and I'm going to be changing the pollen filter in it. This is the pollen filter I have, and this pollen filter is going to be in an awkward position. So we're going to try to remove it. Once you remove it, take a note of the arrows, where the arrows go. You can see those two arrows there. So this pollen filter is going to be sitting in this is the passenger side here in the UK. I don't know in any other countries, might be on the other side, but anyway, here in the UK it's going to be down here. It's right at the back there. There's the little cover for it there, but we're gonna take this cover out. So if we just pull these little plugs out, it might help us by giving us a little bit of extra room to get to the filter. So let me try and get my light here. Okay, I'm just lying here inside of the car to try and get a good picture of this, but basically you need to press this clip and this other one and pull this cover out, and you're gonna be, I don't know if your car will be the same, but in this one it's getting stuck just here where the carpet is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pull this cover out, maybe just force it out a little bit like so, and then that cover comes out and it reveals your pollen filter. This is kind of the same design as a Volvo. So the Volvo has this exact same design. Right, try to get it out. Might be a bit of a wiggle, but it is coming out. I wonder if ultimately you could remove the glove box, and that may give you a little bit more room. I mean, I guess this way is doable, but right, let me get out of here. Okay, so it is coming out. So if we can check the arrows here, maybe this filter is so dirty, it's actually, well, you can really actually see the dirty side. So the air will be coming in this way and going out this way. So your arrows want to be pointing in that direction. This one clearly hasn't been changed in a while. It's really, because the reason I'm changing it is because it actually smells horrible inside of the car. The air that is coming out of the air vents smells not nice. So there we are. I had to get in there in order to do that. Now that filter, to be honest, it might be a Bosch one or whatever, it's a lot more solid than this one. This is like a very flimsy filter. Don't know which one is really this kind of bends. It's not heavy. That one there is quite hardcore. It's heavy, solid, but never mind. This is what I got. So Again, there's the arrows. And now it's a matter of having a little fight in here to get this one in. Maybe give this a little hoover. Okay, got that hoovered, and I started putting the filter in. Now, in a way, because this filter is a lot more flexible, you can actually quite bend it a little bit and try to get it in there. It sort of springs open as well, so it's not a problem if it gets a little bit on the bend side. But obviously we want to try and get it in there in one piece. And that's basically, and there's a cable up here obviously that also you need to sort of push up so it lets you push the filter in slowly but surely. Okay, that's going in. Right, that's gone in there, and now you have to refit this cover back in there. You need to make sure this bit here fits properly. There is a little circle up there where that hooks into, or sort of fits into, so you might need to just fiddle a little bit with it to get it in, but it does. It does go in, so I just need to have a look. Right, so I got it sitting at the top. You just need to line it. It is at an angle at the minute, this cover here, and then we need to push this cover in, sort of. You'll have to force it in a bit so it goes past the carpet, and then once it's in there, push it up a little bit and lock it into position, and that is now locked in place. So the next time, again, you have to press the clips and push it out, but otherwise that is in. So the rest, it's a matter of just refitting the little cover here, and I need to get out of the car here which I bent in such a million positions in order to get to it, which tomorrow every bone is going to hurt, but at least we have a new pollen filter. So hope that video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.